Honey and onions, instant cough remedy. A cough can be dry or productive. When a cough is productive, it is accompanied by mucus, also called phlegm or sputum. It should not be contained, since this is the way the body eliminates excess mucus in the respiratory airways. On the other hand, a dry cough is not the result of expectoration but a possible irritation or infection that, if not treated early, can turn into something chronic. Regardless of the type of cough that a person may have, most people resort to syrups and other medicines in an attempt to control their symptoms. However, the excessive use of medicines and syrups can have side effects to your health, for which we recommend you look for natural alternatives. The natural ingredients to relieve a cough can have expectorant and calming properties, which will help to eliminate phlegm, and further will help calm the irritation. These ingredients act as an antibiotic, capable of fighting the microorganisms which attack the respiratory airways. In this article we will share with you the famous natural syrup made from honey and onion. Honey and onion syrup to relieve a cough. The combination of honey and onion is a well-known natural remedy that has been used to relieve cough since ancient times. Both ingredients have an antibiotic and expectorant action that help to reduce the symptoms associated with coughing in order to prevent it becoming a greater problem. Further, they have the power to strengthen the immune system in order to increase its response to viruses, bacteria and other microorganisms which cause respiratory problems. Benefits of honey. Honey is recognized by the World Health Organization, WHO, as a possible treatment for coughs and colds. This food product has the power to soothe the throat and calm irritations and alleviate the symptoms of a cough. Further, it has antioxidant properties and increases the production of other substances called cytokines, to which is attributed its antimicrobial action. Benefits of onions. Onions are known worldwide as being a good natural expectorant. Its properties help with the elimination of bacteria and stimulate the cleansing of the airways. This food contains a high concentration of antioxidants, cleansing properties and detoxifying abilities that can help to control a cough. Having this in mind, it is not surprising that onions have the power to alleviate the symptoms of a cough and the irritations to the throat. This natural syrup combines the properties of honey and onions to combat a cough and to strengthen the immunological system. Its ingredients do not have any side effects and they are completely safe to use with children. Honey and onion recipe No. Add 2 ingredients. 1 medium onion. 2 glasses of water, 13.5 ounces. The juice from 1 lemon. 2 teaspoons of honey, 0.5 ounce. Directions. Peel and cut the onion in large slices and then boil for 15 minutes in the 2 glasses of water. After coming to a boil, remove from heat and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then add the 2 teaspoons of honey and lemon juice. It is best to drink it 2 or 3 times a day. Honey and onion recipe number 2 inches. Ingredients. 1 onion. 2–3 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 to 2.5 ounces. Directions. Peel and cut the onion into small slices and put in a bowl. Then add the honey and let it soak overnight. The following morning, strain the mixture using a thick gauze or strainer and use this entire dose throughout the day. It is recommended that you take a tablespoon of this syrup every 2 hours for best results. Whichever recipe you choose, it is important to know that the results are not immediate. In order for the remedy to work as a calming agent, it is necessary to take it in various doses. Only then can it help you to cope with the cough.